You are welcome to episode 10 of this series as we march towards 1,000 Igbo words and their English meanings. In case you missed any of the previous videos in this series, please check the description box of this video for links to videos number 1 to 9 in this series. And today, we are bringing to you another unique lesson, which is concerning 7-letter Igbo words and their English meanings. In fact, we're giving you 60 of it. So sit back and relax. Let's do this together. You can't afford to miss any part of it. Let's go to class now. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. You are welcome to the class. Remember, we are dealing with 7-letter Igbo words and their English meanings. And we begin with Agaracha, fair lady. Agaracha, fair lady. Akirika, dry palm leaf. Akirika, dry palm leaf. Akbiriba, scale of fish. Akbiriba, scale of fish. Akpokuwo has called upon. Akpokuwo has called upon. Anumanu, that is our animals. Anumanu, meaning animals. Atomato, meaning plan. Atomato, plan. Biakute, come unto. Biakute, come unto. As you say, Biakutem, come unto me. Chearia, repent. As we repent from sin. Chearia, repent. A bibiwo has destroyed. A bibiwo has destroyed. Echezola, don't forget. Echezola, don't forget. Let's move on to the next page. And what do we have? Echezowo has forgotten. Echezowo has forgotten. Edoziwo has set in order. Edoziwo has set in order. Egbochila, don't prevent or don't hinder. Egbochila, don't prevent. Emebiwo has spoiled. Emebiwo has spoiled. Feyaria, fly around. Feyaria, fly around. Guzozie, stand well. Guzozie, stand well. Ibulite, to lift up. Pay attention to the pronunciations. Ibulite, to lift up. Imegide, to go against. Imegide, to go against. Igurube, locust, a type of insect. Igurube, locust. Iweputa, to bring out from somewhere. Iweputa, to bring out. Let's move on. And what do we have next? Iweachi, to return, especially something taken from somebody. Iweachi, to return. Iwulite, to build up. Iwulite, to build up. Igabiga, to pass over. Igabiga, to pass over. Igukota, to count together. Igukota, to count together. Ikbalite, to arouse. Ikbalite, to arouse. Ikwughachi, to pay back, as we do of debt. Ikwughachi, to pay back. Ikwalite, to promote, especially a good cause. Ikwalite, to promote. Inapota, to deliver, especially from bondage or from prison. Ịnapụta, to deliver. Ịwagharị, to wander, especially aimlessly. Ịwagharị, to wander. Ịzaghachi, to reply. Ịzaghachi, to reply or respond. Are you still there? Great. It's nice to know you are learning with us. We have more valuable contents coming your way. So go ahead now and subscribe to this channel and start learning with us today. Thank you for doing that. Chukwu gozie gị, which means God bless you. Now let's go on. Moving on. We have ịzọpụta, to save. Pay attention to the pronunciations. Ịzọpụta, to save. Jehiere, went astray. Jehiere, went astray. Bagharia, stir, as in liquid. But if it's a human being, it go around. Bagharia, stir or go around, as the case may be. Kpakpando, star. Kpakpando, star. Mberede, emergency. Mberede, emergency. Mehiere, sinned. Mehiere, sinned. Mgbaghara, forgiveness. Mgbaghara, forgiveness. Mgbapụta, freedom or release. Mgbapụta, freedom or release. Mgbọrọgwụ, root, the root of a tree. Mgbọrọgwụ, root. Mmalite, the beginning of anything. Mmalite, the beginning. Let's move on. What do we have here? In this page you have megide, wickedness or evil. Megide, to carry out wicked acts. Ndụmọdụ, counsel or advice. Ndụmọdụ, counsel or advice. Ngabiga, the Passover. A noun form. Ngabiga, the Passover. Njegharị, going around. Njegharị, going around. Njuputa, the fullness. Njuputa, the fullness. Njikere or nkwadobe, as the case may be, preparedness. Njikere, preparedness. Nnagide, forbearance. Nnagide, forbearance. Nkwụghachi, reward or payback. Nkwụghachi, reward or payback. Nsọpụrụ, respect. Nsọpụrụ, respect or honor. Ntụgharị, the turning. Ntụgharị, the turning. Let's move on. And we have here nzọpụta, salvation. Nzọpụta, salvation. And now, nyagharịa, drive around, especially with a car. Nyagharịa, drive around. Ogologo, long, relating to length. Ogologo, long. Okpokoro, table. We also call table in Igbo, just the same pronunciation. Okpokoro, table. Osimiri, ocean. Osimiri, ocean. Ọchịchịrị, darkness. Ọchịchịrị, darkness. Ọgaranya, wealthy person. Ọgaranya, a wealthy person. Ọgịrịga, ribs, part of the bone. Ọgịrịga, ribs. Ọgbaghara, confusion. Ọgbaghara, confusion. Ọkọlọtọ, flag. Ọkọlọtọ, flag. With this, we'll come to the end of our lesson today. But on the screen are displayed selected videos we think will be very helpful to you in your journey to Igbo language mastery. Click on any of them, watch now, and you'll be glad you did. See you in the next video. God bless you.